All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. And before we get into the breaking Canadian crypto news, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and follow the Polar Byte Telegram at @PolarByte for real-time Canadian crypto updates. And remember, this is not financial advice. It's purely educational, so always do your own research, eh?
In the world of crypto, we all know volatility is king. But what if you could have the power of digital currency without those wild price swings? Well, today we're looking at a huge step in that direction for Canada, the launch of its first ever regulated digital dollar, QCAD. To really get why a stable digital dollar is such a big deal, you first have to appreciate the instability it's trying to solve. I mean, just recently, Bitcoin blasted past the $90,000 mark, a massive move that perfectly highlights the exact kind of volatility we're talking about. And this quote just nails it, doesn't it? Bitcoin doesn't follow tradition, it creates its own. It's a market that basically rewrites the rulebook as it goes. And that unpredictability is precisely why the search for stability is so critical. So yeah, that brings us right to the heart of our context today, crypto's unpredictable pulse. This constant market churn is the essential backdrop for the huge news we're about to cover in Canada. I mean, this just captures the market's defiance perfectly. Just when it looked like things were maybe settling down a bit, Bitcoin completely ignored its typical pre-holiday slowdown. It zigged when everybody expected it to zag, reminding all of us that in crypto, you just can't rely on the old patterns. And that brings us to our main event. We're zooming in from that chaotic global stage to a really groundbreaking development right here in Canada, the arrival of its first regulated stablecoin. So here's the headline. Canada now has QCAD. But this isn't just another crypto token. The keywords you gotta focus on are regulated and fully compliant. We're talking about an institution-grade digital Canadian dollar that finally meets the high standards regulators have been demanding for years. Okay, that's a fantastic question, and it's totally fundamental to understanding why this is such a big deal. Before we go any further, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Okay, think of it like this. If Bitcoin is like a really volatile stock, with its price jumping all over the place, a stablecoin is kind of like a digital casino chip. You hand over one real Canadian dollar, and you get one digital token that is always worth exactly one Canadian dollar. It's built for stability, not for speculation. So, how is QCAD any different? This slide lays it out perfectly. On the left, you've got the old model, a bit of a black box, often backed by US dollars with some questionable oversight. But on the right, you have the QCAD model, which is all about total transparency. It's backed one-to-one by Canadian dollars that are held in audited trusts, and it's fully compliant with Canadian law. It basically replaces guesswork with certainty. Okay, so we have a regulated, transparent Canadian dollar stablecoin. But why does that actually matter? What's the so what here? Let's explore the practical, real-world impact this is going to have on Canada's entire digital economy. Well, the benefits are pretty immediate, and they're far-reaching. For Canadian traders, it means you can finally stop doing that costly mandatory switch to US dollars just to get into the market. For businesses, it creates a stable way to accept digital payments without having to worry about an overnight price crash. And on a national level, this signals to the world that Canada is serious about leading in safe, regulated digital finance, which, helps attract investment and talent. This table really drives the point home. Just look at the trader's journey. That extra, inefficient step of converting to US dollars is just gone. Global payments become simpler. And businesses that were hesitant to touch crypto because of all the volatility, well, now they have a stable digital on-ramp. It streamlines the whole shebang. So, the crucial thing to get here is that this isn't just about one new token. The launch of QCAD is a powerful signal about the direction Canada is heading. Let's take a look at the road ahead. You see, QCAD isn't the end of the story. It's really just the beginning. This is step one, building that regulated foundation. This could totally pave the way for more compliant digital assets, maybe even stablecoins issued by the major banks. And ultimately, it could provide the blueprint for a full national digital dollar framework. And this really gets to the core of the whole issue. For years, the regulatory conversation has felt like it was all about restricting crypto. This move completely flips the script. It's a signal that Canada is ready to move beyond just saying no and start building a functional, safe, and innovative digital economy with these new tools. Which leaves us with this one last crucial question. While all the headlines are busy chasing the market's wild swings, is this foundational regulatory step the real story? Is Canada, through this quiet, compliant innovation, actually building the future of money right under our noses? That's a thought to chew on. Thanks for joining us for this explainer.
So yeah, this is a pretty exciting moment, not just for traders, not just for investors, but for the future of digital money in Canada. If you enjoyed this update, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments what you think about a regulated Canadian stablecoin. Does it make you feel more confident in the future of crypto here? And don't forget, join our Telegram channel @PolarByte for daily updates, charts, and Canadian crypto alerts. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.